Figma integration allows you to convert designs directly into working code using Claude Code. This removes the traditional gap between design and development and significantly speeds up the workflow. In this lecture, you will learn different ways to connect Figma with Claude Code and how to use each method effectively. There are multiple approaches depending on your needs. The simplest method is using screenshots. You take a screenshot of your design and provide it to Claude. Since Claude is multimodal, it can analyze the image and generate code based on layout, structure, and visual elements. This approach is fast and works well for simple interfaces or quick prototypes. However, for more complex designs, you need structured data. This is where Figma MCP integration becomes powerful. By connecting Figma through MCP, Claude gains direct access to design data. It can retrieve exact values such as colors, typography, spacing, and layout details. This allows it to generate highly accurate code that matches the design precisely. To set this up, you configure the Figma integration using an API token. Once connected, Claude can fetch design details directly from Figma files. You can then request specific components or sections to be converted into code. Another important workflow is extracting design tokens. Instead of generating individual components, you can extract a complete design system from Figma. This includes colors, typography, spacing, and other reusable values. These tokens act as a single source of truth and ensure consistency between design and code. Once tokens are defined, you can generate components that use these values, maintaining alignment across the entire application. You can also generate complete components from Figma Designs. This includes not just the main component, but also supporting elements such as types, documentation, and tests. This creates a full implementation pipeline from design to production-ready code. Figma Dev Mode further enhances this process. It provides developer-specific information such as measurements, styles, annotations, and component states. With this data, Claude can generate more complete implementations, including handling different states like hover, active, and disabled. To get the best results, your Figma files must be well structured. Designers should use consistent components, clear naming, and proper layout systems. Developers should ensure that requirements are clearly defined and that design specifications are complete. A collaborative approach between design and development improves outcomes significantly. Another important concept is iterative development. When designs change, you can fetch updates and regenerate components. Claude can highlight differences between versions, making it easy to keep your code aligned with design changes. This creates a continuous synchronization between design and implementation. The key benefit of Figma integration is automation. Instead of manually translating designs into code, the system handles the conversion, reducing errors and saving time. This allows developers to focus on logic and functionality rather than repetitive UI implementation. Figma integration transforms the design-to-code process into a seamless workflow, improving speed, accuracy, and collaboration across teams. In the next lecture, you will explore alternative platforms and tools that can complement or extend your workflow further. See you in the next lecture.